TSO back station and unboxing. Right now we just finished boxing the CarLink system for this alarm. The CarLink, the one where you could hook up on your smartphones. You could find your vehicle from anywhere, unlock the doors, start your car, two-way confirmation anyway, in the world it may be. But right now we're taking a look at the Excalibur. We take a look at the outside of the box before I pop open. Right, this have 1 mile range on the alarm, two-way vehicle security and remote start. So this model is the LA 1850 EDBP. Show you some of the other features here. This is the same CarLink compatible. So I'll show you there. And some other features, blade ready. Right, so they're the front of the box. Not too different than the top of the box, but this have the 1 mile. Some of the other models don't come with 1 mile. The one most likely with the red covering and the red lighting comes with the 1 mile range. If you look at the side of the box, the back of the box showing the same CarLink system. This is all the features. I didn't call out all the features. I'll show you all it here. Alright, let's get into it. So here we have the vehicle security and remote start, the installation guide. Pick up the packaging. See what else we have in here. That's a warning. Some kind of sticker or something. Some other stickers with the Excalibur logo on it. You didn't really see the Excalibur signed to properly to stick on your glass, but it is there. Limited lifetime warranty. This is the guide for all the different models. This is the model I have here. The last model is the 2050. Showing all the configurations inside the manual. Outside. Have plenty things inside this box. So let's move the box out of the way. Get the packaging in here. Let's see, we have the charger for the remote. So these remotes you don't have to put in any batteries. That's the recharge, and you're good up and running. I don't know the exact how long it does take before the battery dies. This is something to put like a battery on, as you can see. Battery does clip on here. Like it goes inside the box with extra protection in case somebody managed to interfere with some of the power connections. This will still be a backup antenna come from onto your phone. Open it and see exactly what it is. Here's our unboxing, so when we get into it. Right, so that's showing you the battery part connecting here. The battery case is what we just saw. Right, so that's the backup battery. Most likely we'll have to buy the battery for this separate. I don't know if it have a battery inside here yet. We have one of the triggers, like for the doors. I think I need to take out that. Everybody vehicle have one of these. This is what tells the alarm when the door is open. It also tells when the roof light to turn on. Sometimes when you put it on door, you have the antenna here with the two-sided tape here. I think they say this button is so when you, that's how you can park up. You can just press the button, take out the key, the vehicle remain running, go about your business, come back and just jump in and turn back the key. And start rolling. This is one of the connections, I believe, for the charger. And you can look like you can plug it into your computer or anything with USB to recharge your remote. What else we have in these boxes? Right, so this is kind of like one of the sensors here. Like one of the shock sensors, so that when the vehicle vibrates, one of the cables that come with it, and a tie strap. And you have the siren right here. This is what makes all the loud noise to wake up on somebody. It's interfering with your vehicle. This is the pack with all the connections. You cut up and show everyone one by one. So this is the relay for the alarm here. So we also have some other wiring here. This alarm has a lot of wiring because it has plenty different features. So this is the next one of the jacks and wires. This is the next one here. This one have 2 fuses on it. This is actually 30-watt fuse on this. See the harness here? And we have a next set of cables. And the next batch of wires again. This is 10-watt, 2 10-watt fuse on this one. Alright, let's see the remote itself and the main controller box. This is the main box. This is one of the ones with the big 30-watt fuses. This is kind of the main part itself here. All the other connection ports. This one has some other connections. It have connections, you could say almost straight around, and all 4 sides have things to plug in something. This side have one, this side have a few, this side have an exit, and this have the giant one. So this is the blade compartment here. So take this back in. Right, get that lock up. You also have some different things to any wiring here on the box itself. So also have a diagram showing you different wiring and different color coding and exactly what you're doing. So maybe if you do lose your book, you can either get it online, or you can take a quick look on the back of the main controller and get an idea the wiring. Well, the remotes actually stick on to the main controller, but this is one of the remotes. Lights red, lock, trunk, the key. If it gets into the main one here. This is the main one here. It's the one where most likely the owner will have on him, and this one will just be home maybe for the spare, or maybe a wife or child, whoever else drive the vehicle will have this one. Yeah, look at the front. Yes, Calabar logo to the top. Charging port to the side. Else, it does have a little size to it. So people who are accustomed with the ordinary remotes like these might have to take a little getting used to this one. But most likely this one will have all the displayed on it. When the door and thing open, you'll get a notification showing you well the door unlock or the alarm go off. Or when you start your vehicle from here, you'll see the vehicle starting on here, showing you that it actually starts on when you're switching it off. So that's it, that's everything in the box. So this is the Calabar AL1855 EDPB TS4 Black Edition out.